Hi guys, Bobby D here. Welcome to my video where I'm going to show you how you can make $20 every hour just by typing. Sounds insane? It is. So what am I going to show you in this video? I'm going to show you the exact website. There's more than one that you need to go to, how to sign up, what you need to do to make this $20 an hour, and that's a minimum, how you get paid. PayPal is always the best bet. And how you can do this over and over again. You don't have to do this once a day. You can do this 2, 3, 4 times a day, many times as you want. Now watch this video to the end, guys. I'm going to also show you another great way of earning some money online, which is unlimited money you can earn. And I'll show you how I've made over $6,000 using this method. That's how powerful it is. Watch to the end. So I'm going to show you how you can use this method to make as much money as possible. It's available wherever you are. And if it's in a country that it doesn't work, you can use a VPN. So this works anywhere. And you can make some serious good money using this method, guys. Now, before we go on to the actual method, please do me a favor, guys. Hit the subscribe and hit the bell. Why? Because that way you get to see my content first. All the videos I upload, you will get to see them first, which means you make money first and you're the first to see how good the method is. And I look at all these methods that I do and I upload them because they work, but they only work if you guys take action. Now, the other thing I'm doing to help you take action, guys, is I'm giving you some free training. So look below this video and you will see a little section that says get my free training. Click that link. It's free, no charge, nothing. I've put 7 videos on there, 7 videos for you to watch, all right? And they're all about affiliate marketing. For those of you that know and follow me, I'm an affiliate marketer and I review make money products online. Have a look at my review site. It's bobbydonlinemarketing.com and you'll see all my reviews in there. And they work, guys, but they only work if you take action. So make sure you do. So do your free training. Hit the subscribe for me. Hit the bell. I'd really appreciate it. I bring out videos every single day and I want you to be the first to see them. So let's jump on with the training, and remember, stay to the end and I'll show you my secret little site that I go to make $6,000. Right, guys, I'm going to show you a number of different websites that you can use to make money by typing. So there are loads of companies out there who need people to type up documents. Now, QuickTate.com, QuickTate.com is one of them, and that's QuickTate.com. They are a call and auditing company, and what they do is they want people to help transcribe messages, voicemail messages, memos, legal letters, medical files, recording of phone calls, conference calls, audio files, all sorts, okay? Most are 5 minutes or less, but there are some a little bit longer, and there's some big companies that want this done. Why do companies want things transcribed? It's just to keep a record of stuff, okay? And it might be a letter or a memo, an insurance matter, a voicemail message, authors or doctors making notes, legal fields, general notes, veterinary reports. There is loads of examples there, and they want you to transcribe on their behalf. And the best bit is they pay you to do it, okay? And all you do is you click this little section here, become a transcriber. You've got to upload some identification because there are maybe some sensitive stuff that you're transcribing, and you'll get signed up. It takes about 24 hours to sign up on this one, but this is a really good one and they pay really well for you doing it. Now, some of these sites need to know how fast you can type. Obviously, the faster you can type, the more work you can get done. There's an easy way of doing that. If you just go to typingtest.com, it's a free website. You can do a little typing test in a minute and it tells you how many words per minute you can type. And then you can tell these companies, yeah, I can type 10, 20, 30, 40 words a minute. I think probably about 30 is about an average that they'll be looking for. And that's not difficult to do that. You can do that. I average about 48 words a minute. And that's me. So have a look at that, typingtest.com. And and then you can go to these companies and say, look, I can type this fast, and that's going to help you get more jobs. So the other site I'm going to show you is scribie.com. That's SCRIBIE.com. Now, this has been around for years and one of the biggest transcribing sites out there. And again, people upload work and you transcribe it. Now, there's a couple of differences with this one. You get paid by PayPal only. Okay, you can do this anywhere, but the jobs are on a first come, first served basis. So when you log into your dashboard, if there's a job there, take it because they go quickly. Okay. Now most jobs are between 5 minutes and 60 minutes, and a 60-minute job pays about, well, between $10 and $20. So it's not a lot for 60 minutes of typing. But if you know what, if you're sitting at home watching TV or watching Netflix and you're bored and you haven't got a lot to do, you might as well earn $20 while you're sitting there typing away. And there's no time limit on doing it. No, there is a time limit. There's a 2-hour time limit to get it done. Sorry, you've got 2 hours on this site to get things done. But that's plenty of time, to get something transcribed. So you can do that, when you're sitting around at home looking to earn some extra money. Now, the files are all split up into small little parts, so they're easy to manage. You just type it, you upload it, it gets checked, and then you get paid. All right, really, really easy to do. It's got some really good reviews. It's a great way of learning money. The other thing you have to do is a little transcription test, and you click that at the bottom because they want to check how good you are. There's a couple of things you need for this. You need to have a good grasp of the English language. You need to have a good internet connection because you don't want it to drop out. You need to have a verified PayPal account, a good laptop, a headset ideally to listen to, and Firefox, Chrome or Safari, so you can use this on a Mac or PC. Okay, it's pretty easy, and there you go. You get paid $5 to $25 per audio hour, so that's not bad. A 6-minute split file ranges between 50 cents to $2. All right. They do pay you bonuses every month. If you do 3 hours work of transcribing in a month, you get $5 for free. Okay, and also if you refer people, you get money. So really, really good. Super easy. Just make sure you do the test. And these are some of the figures that you could get per month. You can get up to $700 to $1,000 there doing this. So this is probably one of the best ones out there to make money with. It's really good. Have a look here. There's samples of the work. That's an example of something that you would transcribe. There's a little test there, a little audio file.
Hello? Hello? Yes, Rajiv, can you hear me?
And you would transcribe that speech. And there's a practice go here, 6 minutes long, and you will transcribe what this plays.
Actually say anything in Austria. He wasn't even accused of saying anything. He was accused of perhaps planning.
Hence, you need a good grip of the English language because, you need to hear what they're saying. So I said to you at the beginning, I'm also going to show you one of my biggest ways that I make money online, and it is using Fiverr. Now, I know everyone's heard of Fiverr. It is still a massive, massive way to make money. So let me just show you now. This is my Fiverr account. Okay, this is me. This is my own personal account. So we go to earnings. To show you that it's my logged in account. $6,436 I have made on Fiverr. All right, that is how much money can be made, guys. So what I done is I put a course together on exactly what I do to make money, and it's called Fiverrlicious. This has sold over 2,000 copies. All right, it's evergreen. It is brilliant, and I show you everything that I do to make money. Okay, I'll show you how you buy things cheap, you sell them expensive, and the best bit is you do no work. You will not complete one of these gigs. I outsource every single thing, guys, everything. Okay, I'll show you the gigs that I do. I'll show you how to write them up. This is the main page, how to do everything. All right, this is my own product that I brought out with Trevor Cart. There I am there. It's me, Bobby D. There's some feedback at the bottom. It's got some great reviews. Which, like I said, we've sold over 2,000 copies. Why? Because it works. The feedback is brilliant. And if you join this today, the link's below. You can buy it today. I'm doing it on a special offer for this video, guys, for $9.97. You also get access to my private Facebook group, okay, where you can ask questions. There's about 800 people in there now, all making money because of this method. And you can join them and we exchange ideas and I give you tips all the time on how to make money. So that is Fiverrlicious. If you're looking to make money every single day, if you're looking to make a long-term income, there is no better way than Fiverr, but there's no point going alone. Let me show you exactly what you can do. And it's normally $47. I'm doing it for $9.97, guys, for this video. It's a no-brainer, okay? So make sure you grab a copy of that. And if you haven't seen my affiliate marketing site, this is it here. It's bobbydonlinemarketing.com. I review hundreds of products about making money online. All these work. So just go into one, like this one, iPassive is my latest one. I gave this 10 out of 10, which I never do. It's all about making money on YouTube, which is good if you're watching YouTube. And you can buy a copy there. You can see the money that's been made, $956, $602. You know, there's just so much money to be made online if you know what you're doing. And I'm giving you all these bonuses for free, worth over $150. Again, grab it, have a look at my website, guys. But that is it from me. I am Bobby D. Thank you for listening to my channel. Make money online. Hit the subscribe. Hit the bell. Please, guys, don't miss out on anything I do. And don't forget to grab a copy of Fiverrlicious because it will change your life. I'm Bobby D, guys. Thanks for listening.